Welcome back to another giveaway. This one is number 7, I think. And in this giveaway video, there's just some really random stuff in this one. So firstly, we've got a little box which I intended to give away years ago, and I just never got round to doing it. And in here we've got a woolly jumper, size large, of course. We've got a Ray Mears / Steve Irwin type shirt. I think that's extra large. It's actually a little bit too big for me. It's quite a big fit. Brand new though. We've got a Harkeller hat, which is like a thermal hat, like an Arctic style hat. I bought that and it's a little bit too small for me, so instead of sending it back, I thought, you know, I'll just give it away one day. Also got like a fleece snood that goes over your head. I'm not quite sure why I put that in there. That's a tinder fungus. There's a belt. I don't know why I put that in there as well, unless it doesn't fit me. Oh, what's that? Couldn't even remember putting this stuff together, you know. Yeah. That's a fake Swiss Champ pocket knife. It's got all the various fixtures and fittings on, but it is not the Victoria Knox version. This is a Chinese knockoff. It's still okay, and it would certainly do in a pinch if you were short of a few tools. There's also a little folding stove with fuel tablets. There is a couple of stainless steel, or are they aluminium? Stainless? I normally go for stainless. I don't know. They look like stainless steel mess tins in there, and they're brand new. And lastly, there's a little electronic midgie repeller. Now there's a company offered to send me this, and I said no, because it releases like a midgie repellent, and I didn't want to be wearing that. I'm not a germaphobe, but I am a chemicalophobe, and I didn't want to review that. However, they sent me it anyway, so I'll give it away to one of you guys. Apparently they do work, they get pretty good reviews, and I think they retail for about 40 or 50 quid. And there's also replacement little tablet things in there that you put in, and you connect it to a battery pack, and it through like a sonic sort of wave, it releases stuff that keeps the midgies away. And that's it. And all you've got to do to win that is just tell me in the comment section which fishing implement thing won in the video that I did on bushcraft fishing kits. I reviewed all sorts of things on there because I've used dozens of different things to catch fish, and that was a pretty epic video. It was about an hour long. I'll put the link to it in the video description just to help you out. All you got to do is tell me what won in that. I'll pick the winner on the 15th of December. God, it's so cold, my lips are freezing up. I'll pick the winner on the 15th of December randomly, because everybody will get it right, I'm sure. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.